In this video, we will be talking about mean. So mean is the average. So mean means the average, and to calculate the mean of something, you must first add all the numbers together. And the second step would be to divide by the total amount of numbers. And this will be in your data. So, for instance, if we had to find the mean of, so if we had to find the mean of 6, 5, 7, 5, 7, and 6, well, our first step would be to add them. So 6 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 and plus 6. When I add all of these, I get 6 plus 5 would be 11, and all of that, I'd add them all up, and you would get 36. And then our second step would be to take 36 and divide by the numbers. So how many, when it says the amount of, the total amount of numbers, we mean like how many numbers were in your data. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have 6 numbers. So we're going to divide by 6, and will be equal, we get, so 36 divided by 6 is 6. So our mean is 6. The average is 6. Let's do one more example. Let's do 318, 211, 437, 309, and 198. So again, our first step would be to add all of these. So we're going to do 318 plus 211 plus 437 plus 309 plus 198. So when I add all of these up, I'm going to get 1,473. Now my second step would be to divide. So 1,473 divided by 5. So here I get a decimal. When I get a decimal, what we usually do for averages, depending on the question, depends on what the question is, you could leave it like that, or you can round it. You could just round it, depending on the question. So if I get 294.6, you would usually, since this is 0.6, it would round up to 295. But again, our average, we're just going to say, so you could round it up or round down, or you could just leave it like this. This is your average, depending on the question. So if your question says to round up or just round to a whole number, you have to round up. For now, we could just leave it as a decimal. So hopefully this video helped you better understand how to find the average of a data set.